Good morning everyone. In this class we are going to revise finding perimeters and the properties of the 3D shapes. Okay. So in last lesson we learned the properties of the quadrilateral and the properties of the circle. So let's move on to the lesson. First we will revise the perimeter. How to find the perimeter. Okay. So here is the definition of the perimeter. The perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its side, that is edges. Okay, so this one you already know, children. We need to add all the sides of the given shape, okay, to find the perimeter. So here I am giving you the rhombus with the measurement 2 centimeter. In rhombus, if one side is 2 centimeter means all the other sides also 2 centimeter, because all the sides are equal in rhombus. Okay, so here what about the perimeter of this rhombus? Here we need to add all the sides. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 8 centimeter. So the perimeter of the given rhombus is 8 centimeter. Okay, so we will see one more example, children. It's in your exercise problem. So here they given the parallelogram with the length 7 centimeter and the breadth 4 centimeter. Okay, so how will you find the perimeter? We need to add all the sides. Therefore, perimeter equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, which is equals to 7 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. So now you add and tell me the answer, children. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Okay, so what is your answer, children? 22 centimeter is my perimeter of the given parallelogram. Now you understood, children? Okay, children, so here we have more problems. You can see this in exercise 1.5. okay, so I will give you 10 counts. Open your textbook to the page number 11 and mark all these sums. Okay, so I'm going to start the counting, children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so now pause the video and do the first sum in your classwork. Okay, only the first sum you need to do in your classwork, children, and tell me the answer fast. Okay, children, so I hope you completed the first sum. So what about your perimeter? 8 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, that is 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. Again 22 centimeter is my perimeter. So okay, children, so now we will move on to the next problem. It's my word problem. Okay, if the question is given in a word problem, how we need to find the perimeter. Okay, so here my question is, a side of a square shaped sandbox in Gandhi Park measures 30 centimeter. Determine the perimeter of the sandbox. Okay, here they given the clue as square shaped sandbox. So we need to draw the square, and they given only one measurement, that is 30 centimeter. We already know in square all the sides are equal. If one side is 30 centimeter means other sides also 30 centimeter. Okay, so now we need to find the perimeter of the sandbox. Okay, so same way we need to do. So perimeter equals to, how will you find? The easier way I already taught in the video when I taught this lesson. Okay, so here that is 4 times I have 30, so I can easily write 4 times 30 centimeter, which is equals to 4 times 30 equals to 120 centimeter. Therefore the perimeter of the sandbox is 120 centimeter. Okay, if you use the formula like this means you will get the answer in an easier way. Okay, so in page number 11 you have more word problems, children. After this video you can work out those sums in your maths class work. Now we will move on to the properties of the 3D shapes. You know what are 3D shapes. Okay, so it is a 3-dimensional shape. We have 3 dimension in the shapes, then it's a solid shape. Okay, so now we are going to listen the cube and cuboid to recall the properties of them. Okay,
hello everyone, I am a cube. I have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. You know one thing? My all faces are equal in length.
Hey, I am a cuboid. I also have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. But my opposite faces are equal in length. Bye.
okay children, so now I hope you understood the properties of the cube and cuboid. Okay, the cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Then all the 6 faces are equal in cube. Okay, then the cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices, and only one difference here is opposite faces are equal. Okay, so here I am going to given you the net. What is net? Okay, so if you join the net we will get the solid shape. Okay, so this is the net of the cube. Okay, this is the net of the cube. Here we can see it has 6 faces, 1 2 3 4 5, and back side another one 6. So this is the net of the cube. Then what about the cuboid? Here we have 4 rectangles and 2 squares. 4 rectangles and 2 squares will make one cuboid. So now we will move on to this properties of the sphere. Okay, so in sphere it has only one curved surface. The sphere has only one curved surface. Then it has no vertices, then no edges. Okay, so then the cylinder and the cone. Okay, so here the cylinder has, this is the base, this is the top. Okay, so these two are plane surface. So it has 2 plane surface and 1 curved surface. Then cone, this is a curved surface. So 1 curved surface and 1 plane surface. Okay, so these are the properties of the cylinder. It has two plane faces, one curved surface, and no vertices, then no edges. The cone has one plane face, one curved surface, then one vertex. This is your vertex. Only one vertex is there. Okay, so that's all, children. Here we have the net of the cylinder. It has top, base, then the curved surface. This is the net of the cylinder. Then the cone. So this is the curved surface, then this is your base. Okay, I hope now you understood the properties of the 3D shapes, that is cones, cylinder, cuboid, sphere and a cube. Okay, and also you know, children, the way to find the perimeter of the given shape. Okay, so now take page number 17, children, and mark the answers for the exercise 1.7. So first question, a cuboid has dash edges. In cuboid, how many edges are there? How many edges? Yes, 12 edges. So mark the 12. Then the shape of the dice is like a cube. A dash has curved surface and two plane faces. Two plane faces and one curved surface. Which is that? Yeah, very good. Cylinder. Then I have one vertex and one plane face. I am a one vertex and one plane face. Who's that? Yes, cone. Then a cube has dash vertices. How many vertices are there in a cube? 8 vertices. So that's all, children. You need to ready for your exam. Next week you are going to write the exam, children. The portions for your exams are from unit 1 to unit 6. So all the 6 units you need to revise. I gave only simple problems, children, so don't worry about that. So revise all the lesson, all the worksheets. Okay, so it's time for Kahoot, children. Our class ends. I will meet you in the next term, children. So till then, take care of yourself and bye, children.